So hi there guys, this video is how to watch Congratulations legally and for free in India after the ban. Apparently I was recording this on my PC, but my earphones mic has gone bad, and so I could hardly hear myself in the video, and so I'm just recording this on my phone. So anyway, let's start. So apparently, since my notes were on the PC, I've just taken a picture of them. So, there are 5 things you can type on YouTube to search, to watch Congratulations legally. So, first off, you go on the Google tab. Then, after that, you go on YouTube. Now, you can also Google search, but I just prefer you go on YouTube. Then what you do is you go on the search bar, and now since these things are in my search history, I'll just tell you. So first off, you can type for this, and I'm going to send all of these in the description, but you can just copy paste how to watch Congratulations after ban. You can just search for that, scroll down a bit, and you will find this one video which I think is good. So I might or I may not send the links in the description, but anyway. So then the next thing what you can do is you can search for Congratulations Clean. Now this is the clean version of the song, and apparently you will find the first one with 4.5 lakh views, and you can watch it there. Then you can also type for Congratulations Nonstop, Congratulations 1 hour, or just simply Congratulations Nonstop 1 hour. Then if you scroll down, the third video most likely is gonna be this official music video, which you can see. Then you can also search for Congratulations reupload. Now many YouTubers have just re-uploaded the song. So you can find the lyrical. You can also search for Congratulations lyrical. And then, so as you can see, there's this re-upload there by someone. Okay. Then I think there's one more way. Yeah, these are actually like all the ways, and just for proof so that you remember, I'll also just search for Congratulations lyrical, and then scroll down, and apparently the fourth video you find has this. So that's how you listen to Congratulations legally. I don't want to click on any of the videos to avoid copyright strike. I hope this video was useful and you liked this. If you did, you might as well give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with notifications. And I'll see you guys in another video next time.